Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone for a safe rollback. First, back up everything. Once done, confirm photos and messages are intact. Make sure battery is above 50% and enable developer options plus USB debugging so the PC can communicate. Next, download the matching stable firmware build for Nothing Phone 1 and Google Platform Tools. This is essential because mismatched images can brick the device. Now connect via USB and confirm the phone appears in a DB devices. If it does, you're ready for unlocking the bootloader step. Next, you will unlock and replace the beta image. Reboot to the bootloader via a DB reboot bootloader and verify the device shows in fastboot devices. If the bootloader is locked, run fastboot OEM unlock or fastboot flashing unlock and accept the on-screen confirmation. This wipes user data, so the backup matters. Once unlocked, flash the stable images in order: radio, boot, system, vendor. Use the vendor's recommended commands and wait for each image to finish. After flashing, run fastboot reboot to test the clean install. Finish by completing the initial setup and restoring your backup. Verify settings shows the stable build number so you know the beta is removed. If the phone boots into a loop, do not panic. Reboot to bootloader and reflash the stock recovery or the full factory image exactly as before, because interrupted flashes sometimes leave components inconsistent. Make sure to capture a DB logcat output and fastboot OEM device info. These logs help if you contact Nothing support. Once stable, disable developer options if you no longer need them.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.